going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been getting comments about doing layering with the vinyl. I don't do it too much. I usually just use my vinyl cutter just for, to check out designs I want to try out or things like that. But every once in a while I'll do layering. So I figured I'd throw up a little video on that. So I got everything loaded up into the Cricut and whatnot. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do it from the process of where I throw it in the Cricut design and then to cutting it out and putting it on the shirt. So I'm going to get right into that. So I just threw in this quick, just this cassette tape. And what I'm going to do here, it's all grouped together right now, and I'm going to ungroup it. So then over here, it has them in different pieces. So that way when I go to put it on the shirt or whatever, I can just group it all back together to layer it. So now when I go to make it, it's going to ask me what I want. Put it on the mat. Okay, then it should have all my cuts in here, which it does. Now for sure, I'm going to have to mirror everything. See here. Just make sure you mirror everything for HTV. What it's going to do is just go through and cut everything that you have. It's going to start off by your first mat, second mat, third mat, and make sure that you're putting all this stuff. See a little red line around it? Just put all your stuff off that red line, because it's going to cut outside here, or it won't cut outside here. It's going to cut inside the red box. So I'm just going through to make sure everything's ready before I even put it in the Cricut. Like I said, do not forget to mirror your image, because I've done that tons of times, and then you waste all that vinyl. Okay, so everything's ready to go to the Cricut, so I'm going to set it up on the Cricut, and then I'll put the camera back to the Cricut when it starts cutting all these. I already got my first mat loaded. Like I said, it's going to go through the process of all the different mats. So I'm going to set this in here. Make sure you mirror your image and your shiny side is down when you're doing HTV. It's different for some other ones, but for, HTV, the main stuff like this, you always want your shiny side down. This side facing up. So I'm going to get right into it. I already have everything set in here. I'm going to get to my first cut, and I'll speed up the process in the video so you guys don't have to sit there and watch the whole thing. Okay, that's my first cut. You can't even see that because it's in black. But I'm going to put the second one in, load it up to go to the second cut now. Alright guys, same thing. I'm on my second cut now. It just keeps jumping from 1, 2 to 3. These are all going to be quick because it's not that big. I'll let that cut. I'll speed this up in the video. Okay, so this is my third cut.
I don't have all the colors that were in this, so for the yellow on this, I'm going to use orange. It doesn't really matter, you can switch your colors up. But like I said, it has its own thing set, it's just going 1, 2, 3, it's going through the process. So after you get it set in there, it's just really quick. I'm using green for the blue in this one. And I got one more cut after this. Hold it up. There you go. This one's a bigger piece, so this one's probably gonna take a little bit longer. But like I said, I'll speed this whole process up so you guys don't have to sit here and watch stuff. And I just keep going over and just reloading my mat. You can have a couple different mats set up, but I just keep reloading this one. This is my last cut. Like I said, I'm not using the exact colors. I'm just using scrap pieces and stuff that I have laying around just to show you how I do this real quick. All right, that's it. I'm gonna weed these out real quick. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'll weed them out real quick and then we'll get to pressing it onto a shirt. I got a junk shirt here. For this vinyl, I'm putting my press up to 330 for 15 seconds, but throughout the layers, I'm only gonna do like basically 10 seconds just to get it tacked on. Like I said, it's just for demonstration purposes. I got all my stuff weeded out. So I'm gonna start with my first layer here. Teflon sheet over. These are all hot peel. Yeah, like I said, this first one I'm just gonna tack it on. Do it for like 10 seconds. First layer. Second layer. Same thing, I'm gonna go for 10 seconds on this one. Teflon sheet over. This is what, 5 layers. Like I said, use registration marks. And then when you're done with all your layers, you're gonna go for your full press. No, I can't. I have to do this one first. A little bit better. waiting 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna go to full press on this last one. There you go, guys. That's quick without registration marks. It's just a quick layering process. Just lining them up yourself. The green messed up a little bit when I was weeding it, but for the most part, it came out good. There you guys go, getting up and close. Like I said, the green, I messed up on weeding it, but for the most part, I put the press at 330 for 15 seconds. And I do all the layers basically 10 seconds. And then the last layer, I do the full press. There it is. So there you guys go for quick layering. I know you could use registration marks and other things. I just wanted to make a quick video on it. That you can do it, you know, just eyeballing it up. Like I said, it's just a fast video. I don't normally do layering once in a blue moon, but for the most part, it's just when I make just single color so I can test out designs. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.